Hey everybody, Jeremy here with another exciting episode of Daily Marketing. We are on our Instagram and Facebook ads epic. Today I am going to teach you real quick how to actually generate a pixel on Facebook for the ads manager, number one. Number two, how we are going to then turn around and we are going to install that pixel on Shopify. I know a lot of you are doing e-commerce, a lot of you use Shopify. Actually, even there's non-e-commerce solutions for Shopify. So, the Facebook Pixel is probably the most important part of Facebook, right? This one piece of this one tool is what makes it such a powerful force in marketing. This thing gathers so much information on the people that come to your website, lets you retarget them, lets you create custom audiences based off of them, right? It's basically the bridge between Facebook's massive data sets and your website, right? And how you can use all of these extremely advanced tools in order to do that. So I'm in an ads manager right now, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to go and I'm going to go over to Pixels, right? So click the top left hamburger menu, go to the fourth row. So frequently used plan, create, manage, measure, and report. Go down to pixels, right? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go down to pixels, and when it loads, we're going to create a pixel. Just here as soon as we can. So anyways, like I was saying, the Facebook pixel is extremely important. It's probably the most advanced piece of like analytics and tracking when it comes to it. It can do cross-device tracking. It can do, it can do like cross-platform. So if they see an ad on Instagram and then go and buy it on desktop with Facebook logged in, it's going to be able to track that, right? Almost no other platform gives you even close to that level of sophistication. So it's extremely powerful, and I highly recommend. There's no reason to not use the Pixel. Pretty much outside of some like weird technical thing, there's no business reason to not use the Pixel. So we're looking at a Pixel that has already been generated, right? We're going to go into this Pixel. And so I'm going to show you how to set up Shopify. Normally, you would have to create a pixel. It's a very simple process. Do not be freaked out about it. You click a couple of buttons. Ad accounts being kind of stupid for me right now, so I'm having a hard time doing that for you all. But it's basically the same process. So you create the pixel, and then you go into pixel setup, right, as part of the setup method. And so for Shopify, they have the integration tag manager: BigCommerce, Google Tag Manager, Magento, Segment, Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, right? So we're going to use that, and we're going to go to Shopify, and you're going to go to settings, right? So it gives you the step-by-step. On your Shopify, go to online store, number one. Number two, paste your pixel ID, and it gives you the pixel ID here. This is going to be blurred out for you all, right? But it is my pixel ID. And you're going to click save. Continue. Verify the pixel is installed correctly. Mine's already active, right? And so you need to send test traffic and then confirmation. And you can download the Pixelhelper. I highly recommend this. I have Pixelhelper. It's this up here, Facebook Pixelhelper, and it tells you pixels that are on the page, right? So, yeah, basically. So next step, yeah. So it'll tell you exactly the pixel IDs that are found on the page, right? And so that's Facebook's Pixel ID. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna go Shopify, right? So I'll take you back home. This is just like a for fun Shopify store I have. This is how to messing around. Online store, and then you go down to preferences here on the left hand side. Go over to Facebook Pixel ID. I copied it, I pasted it. It's the same one as before, and that's literally it. I hit enter, and we are done. So that's the whole thing. So that's how you set up Pixel on Shopify. Now the nice thing about Shopify and the way that this is set up, Facebook has a bunch of conversion values, right? And these conversions values are Facebook coming to you and like saying like, okay, here's like a bunch of like preset ones like add to cart and purchase and initiated registration or initiated checkout, things like that, right? The nice thing about Shopify, this is really powerful, it automatically loads those in. So it's plug and play, right? Otherwise you have to go in and custom define them. That is a huge pain. But Shopify does it for you automatically, right? So you just drop it in and you're good to go. And then you can start your conversion campaigns and you can target things like add to cart. And it's really beautiful. It's pretty amazing. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments. This is, like I said, again, it's really easy to install the Pixel onto Shopify. Hope that you all got a lot of value out of this and happy marketing, everybody. Truly appreciate it. Bye.